Hello and welcome to Breakill's Home. In this video I will help you to choose the best coil for your MTL atomizer. All the coil can be used both in mechanical and electronic. In the case of using unregulated mode, it is necessary to pay more attention to the ohm values, choosing those coils that will deliver the desired power. The complex coil requires a few watts more than a single wire build to develop the same heat. You will then use lower ohm values and higher wattages than your standard single wire build. Let's start from the first element, the inner diameter of the coil. The 2mm tip compared to the 2.5 usually offers a faster ramp up but less autonomy between dry burns. The choice of this internal diameter is therefore linked to the size of the atomizer chambers. Nowadays just few atomizers requires the 2mm tip. This is the case of bottom feeder MTL such as Speed, Strike or 900, small RBA dedicated to the .io and very few RBA for bore billet tank. Also, some smaller tank, the K-Fun Light Plus or some Goose atomizer can fit only 2mm diameter coils. If your atomizer is among these or shares the characteristics, it's time to choose from the various options. Let's start from the classic line with the Ultra Nano 2mm. It is the most economical solution and offers good versatility with all juices and good durability, which, depending on the juice, can vary from 5-10 ml between dry burn with the dirtiest organic extracts up to more than 60 with synthetics or distillates. The total duration ranges from a minimum of 80-90 ml with the most dirty organic up to more than 180 ml with synthetic and distillates. Its value of 0.75 ohms makes it good both in mechanical and regulated modes, ranging from 16 to 18 watts. Bullet line offers two more advanced solutions. The Stealth shares the versatility of the Ultra Nano with a much higher aromatic definition, a higher resistive value of 0.25 ohm, therefore offers a more slow vape in mech modes. The electronic range is also from 16 to 18 watts. Also, the duration is slightly higher, reaching up to 120 ml with organic liquids, up to more 205 ml with synthetics and distillates. The second bullet is the Surgical Strike. As the name suggests, it has a specific goal, namely the search for the extra dry output, making it the ideal choice for dark tobacco and mixtures. This incomparable aromatic definition makes it more delicate, reducing the range between dry burns with organic juice between 3 and 8 ml up to 80 ml total, and making it unsuitable for creamy flavored, cutting too much the sweet notes. If English and Balkan mixtures, Latakia, Kentucky are your daily bread, you found your best coil. If your atomizers allow it, the 2.5mm tip offers greater autonomy and fits the vast majority of RBA and RTA. All MTL coil of this diameter are wrapped left-handed, allowing the application on those tanks such as Vampire, Replay and Bishop. Remember that usually the application of a reset coil does not affect particularly the flavor output, except in rare cases. It is the example of the Bishop Cubed RBA, for which a customized coil has been created, as well as in other specific systems. Let's come back to the classic line with the Ultra Nano 2.5mm, which shares exactly the same characteristics and versatility of the 2mm tip sister, changing only the internal diameter. It is therefore the cheapest solution. The same goes for the Raid, 2.5mm tip version of the Stealth, which shares some values, versatility and durability, therefore has a greater aromatic definition and durability than the Ultra Nano. Desert Fog has the same role as the Surgical Strike, also looking for a dry flavor output with mixtures, dark tobacco, but with greater versatility and durability than the 2mm tip. Unlike the smaller one, it is in fact possible to use it even with creamy juices without cutting excessively some notes. However, it remains an extreme choice, dedicated to tobacco lovers. The duration compared to the Surgical Strike increases to 100 ml total with the dirtiest organic extract and equal in proportion with synthetic liquids up to 205 and more. The ohm value is slightly higher and this ensures a more gentle ramp up and therefore the preservation of the top notes. We come to the Sniper, coil that I personally appreciate particularly. It combines the versatility of the Raid, the reactivity of the Ultra Nano and the flavor definition of the Desert Fog. Power and precision combined together. The ohm value of 0.75 makes it particularly energetic in mechanics, but its multi-core composition greatly reduces the overheating of the chamber. The duration is the highest among MTLs, exceeding 120 ml total with the dirtiest liquid and 300 ml with distillates and synthetics. While the Ride, being very versatile, favors the sweeter notes, the Sniper tends to get closer to Desert Fog with a more sharp yield. Finally, the Defcon 1, the coil with the highest ohm value dedicated to the slow vapor. It reaches 0.95 1 ohm depending on the voltage drop of the atomizer. It is therefore ideal in electronic or for contemplative and slow vape. It has great versatility comparable to the Ultra Nano and a good durability, 120 ml with organic juice up to 250 with synthetics. To sum up, if your deck requires the 2mm tip, the cheapest choice is the Ultra Nano with roughly all liquid. Stealth for an extra step in flavor and durability, Surgical Strike to get the driest output. If you can use the 2.5mm tip, Ultra Nano is the cheapest, Ride and Sniper the most versatile, the second slightly drier, Defcon 1 is dedicated to slow vapor, while Desert Fog for lovers of dark tobacco and mixtures. I hope that this video helped you. I invite you to explore the catalog in the link in the description below, leave a like if you find this video helpful and leave a comment for any future question. I will answer you as soon as possible. For this video is everything, thank you and to the next video, bye!